How to check if a YouTube channel is monetized. Hey there YouTube enthusiasts. Ever wondered if your favorite YouTuber is making money from their videos? Stick around because in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check if a YouTube channel is monetized. Let's dive in. Start by opening the YouTube website or app and search for the channel you're interested in. Click on the channel name or thumbnail from the search results to navigate to the channel's page. Watch a few videos on the channel and pay attention to any ads that play before, during, or after the videos. If you notice frequent ads, it's a good indication that the channel is monetized and earning revenue from advertisements. And there you have it. By watching for ads while browsing on a channel's videos, you can quickly determine if the channel is monetized on YouTube. Happy browsing. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more quick and useful YouTube tutorials. See you next time.